As an emerging technology, laser has been widely used in electric motor manufacturing. With 25 years of technology deposition in laser, CH Laser is well positioned to apply laser technology in this industry, such as laser cutting, laser welding, insulation laser ablating, laser marking. CH Laser is dedicated to becoming a premier expert in complete laser equipment solutions. CH Laser's precision laser cutting serial tailored for the e-motor industry. Import the e-motor core's CAD drawings to start immediate processing. For stator core welding applications, CH Laser has developed various types of customized welding equipment, such as robotic laser welding machine, multi-axis modular welding machine, and this semi-auto or fully auto production line to match customers' unique process requirements. This fully demonstrates CH Laser's expertise and productization capability in customized laser welding equipment and solutions. CH Laser's latest design of rotor riveting and testing machine demonstrate advantages such as high efficiency, high precision, strong stability, high degree of automation, and better performance, so as to improve core competitiveness. Our missions are simplify laser application, empower intelligent manufacturing with laser, create greater value for society continuously.